trial of the century. Sana itong trial of the century hindi mag-last ng isang century.
Ma'am, may presentation of witness po ba sa Monday or wala pa po?
Opening arguments, pero ang first day of trial, ang first day sa kalendaryo ng impeachment court is 3 days next week, 6, 7, 8 ang presentation of prosecution witness. Pero nakalagay rin sa impeachment rules, Senate impeachment rules na there will be opening statement from the prosecution and an opening statement from the defense.
So sa Monday, meron po or wala pong presentation of witnesses?
We are ready to present our evidence on Monday.
Present 3 witnesses.
Ang rule dyan is 1 witness a day. There's a
Ilan po yung
1
nasubmit
witness.
niyo na po na list of witnesses for next week?
We cannot disclose, no? It's a matter of strategy.